Today in this video, we will talk about the modern calligraphy of a verse from the Holy Quran. فَبِأَيِّ آلَاءِ رَبِّكُمَا تُكَذِّبَانِ. We will talk about how we started this painting and how we completed it. The most important part is the canvas preparation. I applied gesso to it and left it to dry. Thick layer of texture paste is applied on the canvas and created the texture with the help of palette knife. With the help of texture paste, I completed the background on my canvas with the most favorite pattern. And now I started painting with a beautiful color combination. The medium was acrylic and I used Bluebird acrylic studio paints. Now it was the time for the calligraphy, so I first drew the pattern and then did the calligraphy on it with utmost delicacy. In this calligraphy, I have used burnt umber, crimson red, lamp black and titanium white colors. Calligraphy should always be done in a dark and solid colors when the background in the light shade. The final part of the calligraphy is I applied varnish for the final coating. Using varnish is very important in original artwork painting. It protects from dust and UV light. This process of painting took me 30 hours and I have compiled the entire process in 4 minutes. So please watch the full video and leave a comment if you like it. By the way, my name is Artse Shafaq and I am the acrylic artist from Pakistan.